Hello, this is Unit 1 of DBMS Database Management System. So, before going in detail, we will see the definition of database. So, database is nothing but the collection of interrelated relevant data stored together to serve multiple applications. So, the same database we can use for the multiple applications. Interrelated and relevant means the data in the database or the data in the tables are interrelated with each other to normalize our database, and relevant means all the data in the database should be relevant to each other. So this is the definition of database. Now what is database management system? Database management system is nothing but a set of programs to access those data. So whatever data is interrelated or relevant, that has to be accessed by writing some set of programs. That is called as database management system. Database management system are designed to manage large amount of data. Storage of data is independent of the program. Controlled approach is used to add, delete, modify or retrieve the data. Goal of DBMS is to provide a way to store and retrieve database information that is both convenient and efficient. So whatever the database management system we are using, that is used to manage the large amount of data. Nowadays big data concept is there in the market, so it has a huge market. So very large amount of data can also be handled by some tools like MongoDB, then Hadoop. So these are some of the technologies which are used to handle large amount of data, and the storage of data is independent of the program. By using database management system, we can add, delete, modify or retrieve the data. Now what are the different database applications? So here in the diagram you can see various database applications. These are some of the applications. So bank is there, then airline reservation system, telecommunication, then educational system, social media, railway reservation system, e-commerce. These are some of the applications where database system is used. In the market, not a single application is there which is without database. So how database or banking, how database management system is used in banking? So in banks we have to store, or bank personnel has to store various details of the customer, then he or she has to track day to day transaction details. So these are so DBMS is used for banking sector. Airline reservation system is used for ticket booking, flight schedule, employee details, customer details and so on. Universities, that is educational sector, data of all the students, teachers, exam schedule, results, that can be managed by using database management system. In telecom industry also, database is used to maintain the customers information, how much network they have used, then what is the recharge, what is the plan for recharge. So these are all the information maintained in the telecom industry, and database is used to maintain that record. E-commerce is very well known application. Everybody nowadays in COVID doing online shopping. So online shopping websites store the information of all the products, user addresses, their preferences, credit details. So these all the information is stored at the back end of the company. Social media sites, daily millions of users log in on the social media like WhatsApp, YouTube, then Snapchat, Twitter. So all the information of users is stored in the database at the back end. What are the different charts, then comments the users have given, say that is stored in the database management system. Railway reservation system. So railway reservation system is the well known application of database management system. It helps to keep the record of ticket booking, departure and reporting of time trains. So in this way we have seen the definition of database, then database management system, and as well as we have seen various applications of database management system. Thank you for listening.